Tanungin nga nila, Coach, is this the best time? No? Is this the best time to put your money on Bitcoin? I think whether the coin goes to 20,000, to 25,000, 30,000, we're not talking about millions of money here. Hindi tayo nag-uusap kung ang pera mo ba 10 million, 20 million. Siguro kung 20 million ang pera mo, kung ang Bitcoin bumaba ng 20,000, malaking effect yun. But if you're talking about 100,000 and 10,000 pesos, guys, that's small. I'll be very blunt about it. That's a very small money. At kung nag-iisip ka pa kung mag-i-invest ka sa isang coin, tingnan mo na lang kung bakit ito mga kumpanya nag-uunahan po ngayon on entering. At kung ikay na-miss mo yung 2020 halving, ito na yung pagkakataon mo at napakaswerte mo, Kamiranda. Napakaswerte po natin, lahat po tayo, because andito tayo ngayon sa loob. Isa't kalahating ewan na lang po talaga kung hindi pa kayo pumasok at naiwan pa kayo when Bitcoin, I don't know, tomorrow is 40,000, 50,000.